can have a clipboard. So clipboard, copy selected text and get from the clipboard, set to the clipboard. You can set the text to the clipboard. Right? Clipboard means, for example, if you copy anything, so it will store into the. If you copy, it will store in the clipboard. So you can paste any number of times, right? Any number of times. But see, you can copy. There is a set clipboard. You can set the clipboard. Okay. I just put the hello and set the clipboard. So before running, so I just copy the true operator. Right click and copy. So whenever I paste anything, so right click, paste. It is pasting the true, right? How many times I paste? It is pasting the true. Because in the clipboard it is a true, right? So whenever you copy any text or file, anything, so it will go and place the text into the clipboard. So you can set the clipboard, right? Now I'm pasting the. See, now I'm pasting. It is coming as a hello. Okay. You can set the clipboard. Acube, can you mute it yourself? Yeah, thank you. Okay. You can set the clipboard and also you can get the data from the clipboard. See here, is get from the clipboard. So get from the clipboard, the properties, output is a result is output. So just from the clipboard, from the clipboard. Okay, you can display that box, message box. From clipboard. Okay, that itself it is a string. So for example, I can, yeah, I'm just copying this one, work files, right click and copy. If I paste here, it will paste the working on files, right? So the same thing, if I run from UiPath, it will get the data, the text data from the clipboard and display. What is running? Yeah, see, this is a clipboard text. Okay. And also selected text also you can get. Selected text in the sense, see here, clipboard. So whatever you select, the user is selected on the text. So here is a result. I can create a one variable called selected text and display the selected text. I am selecting this one. Okay, let us see whether it will. So I'm selecting this one. From India, we can select to here. So this is a selected thing, right? Just selected. That's it. So what is running? It will give the selected text. Got it, right? See? Understand? So this is about the clipboard. So you can do so many things here. Uh, you can use the agent process like a suppose we'll do one small thing here. We'll take a agent process and t- uh, selected text. Something like you will open one small Google translator, and yeah, go to the yeah, while it is opening Google Translator, English Hindi, yeah. Hello, it will convert, right?
Namaste.
Okay, so let's place here. So I want meaning of this one. I want meaning of this one. Meaning of this one in Hindi. Okay, this population. So okay, I want a meaning of any word. Okay, so once you select anything and press any key, okay, it should copy this text and paste into this place and convert. Click on the convert and click on this.
Aspitano.
Okay, so that is our task. Let us try. So what we require, this is the agent process. Whenever I press any key, okay, key press trigger, alt control shift H. Okay, so if I press alt control shift H, it should execute. So within that, what we have to do, we have to get the selected text, right? Clipboard, just clipboard here in the clipboard, selected text, drag. So just store into the one variable called any selected text, and after that, what you have to do? So you have to uh, type there is a type into activity. You just type the text here, okay, in this English place. So before typing, just clear the text. So to clear the text, there is a empty field, just check that one. Okay, so what you have to type, there is a selected text is a variable. Just observe the selector. The selector is, yeah, it's look like good. And click on the translate activity. Click on the translate activity. So click on this button. So once you type, there is a button called this button. Yeah, this button. Translate. Click on the translate button. So and click on speaker. Okay, speaker. There is a speaker here. I press the speaker. That's it. Or yeah, select this one. Just check the selectors. So if it is everything, it's good. Yeah, done. So our board is ready. Okay, so now I'm running. You understand the concept, right? So this is a small concept. So I don't know. Let us check. The transfer or this one, the selected thing. Okay, so what is the key? We have to use Alt Control Shift H. Okay, once the bot is running, yeah, bot is running, so I selected this one, so the whole thing, and press Alt Control Shift H. It is typing. See, you can use the set text also. So it get the data from the selected thing and it typed here, and it has to press the translate and press the speaker button. Yeah, speaker button is it's not clicking the speaker button. Anyway,
कई बहुराष्ट्रीय कंपनियों का मुख्यालय मुंबई में स्थित है, जिससे शहर व्यापार और मनोरंजन के आकर्षण का केंद्र बन गया है।
so why this click activity is not working? You got it right. So wherever you want that translation, just select and press. So bot is running in the background. So bot is running in the background. Just so you can invoke the trigger the bot by pressing the Alt Control Shift H. So you can change those things and all. So that is about the selecting the text. So you can do so many things. Okay. Let me run one more time. So bot is running. Select. So population. I want this, the meaning of the population, or I want meaning of this one in Hindi. I just press Control Shift Alt. It is not clearing. It's not clearing. You understood the concept, right, Nishita and Akib? So you can do such kind of things.
Yeah.
Got it.
If you want to clear it, then what should we do?
Sorry, Akib.
If you want to clear the one which was
Yeah,
typed,
if you want to clear, yeah, you can press this button. Okay, you can press this button before typing. So or basically it has to clear because see, so we make the empty field. Empty field is a checkbox, but otherwise you can use the any click button, click activity before typing. Before typing, you can use a click activity. So and press the into button. It will clear first. First it will clear and it will type. You can do so many things, not only the translate. Understand, right? Understood, right? Q. So such kind of, yeah. Q. Any doubts?
no doubt. Can you just show from starting again, like from extract, like from where do you extract? Yeah,
Which
typing
one?
from type.
Yeah, there is a copy selected text activity. It will copy the
Okay,
selected text, okay, and store into the selected text variable.
okay,
We created the one variable selected text. Okay, so before that, when it will trigger, this is a hotkey. When you press the Alt Control Shift H, it will trigger on that time and copy the text, select a text, and click on the clear button and type into the English in translator. Click on the translate button and click on the speaker. Basically, you just try from okay. So from your side. So if any questions, doubts, let me know. Okay.
okay.
So that is so and also clipboard is also a good thing actually.
Thank you very much for watching this video, friends. So to get more hands-on experience, you can join as a Sky member. Please join this channel.